Yo, so we've got the sun being trippy again today. Check that out. This is Friday afternoon. It's getting late. And this is this week's edition of why some roofs are better and why we're more expensive. This one's gonna be a little different in that I'm not actually gonna show work that we've done, but this is one reason why when you receive an estimate from us that the price is probably going to be higher than the other estimates is because we reflash everything, including your chimneys. Chimneys are one of the most leak prone areas on a roof. We look at chimney leaks every day, every week, and they are a chronic source of frustration for a lot of homeowners. When you're getting a roof replacement and you have a chimney, some houses have 2, 3, 4 chimneys, it is best to reflash that chimney when you're changing out your shingles. That you have to look at the roof replacement estimate in a holistic fashion, in a system approach, and that's how we build roofs. We build roof systems. We don't just change out the shingles. So without further ado, we're gonna look at I'm assuming this is a do-it-yourself in-house project. Hopefully a roofing contractor did not actually do this, but we've got 4-inch seam tape as chimney flashing. You can see right here where we would have our apron flashing, our sidewall flashing. These shingles that I'm on are not that old, but you can tell that the roofing contractor, and it may not have been these homeowners that even hired this roofing contractor, but that the roofing contractor changed out the shingles, but did not update any of the flashing. So you can see we've got a louver dormer vent right here. This is just for attic ventilation. It's a non-mechanical louver vent. It just lets hot air out of the attic. These need to be updated when you replace your roof system. So we've got newish shingles, but then the old flashing. And we've got a leak that it looks like the homeowner has tried to remedy on their own. It will cost you a lot more in the long run if you neglect the flashings and then try to have a repair done once the shingles are down. When we go and estimate a repair job and we see that the flashings have not been updated, for us to update or replace the flashings properly, we have to remove shingles around the obstruction. So in this case, this is a louver vent. Right here, we've got a chimney. For us to do this right, we have to remove one row of shingles at the bottom, one row of shingles coming up the side, and then one row of shingles coming up the cricket. And then we go in and reflash everything. If you do this after your shingles have been replaced, it's going to cost you 2 times, 3 times as much as it would have cost you if you just did it during the roof replacement. So we've got a good view of it here. It's always good when you're getting your roof replaced to update all of your flashings. The estimate that includes all of the reflashings is going to be more than the estimate that includes just changing out the field shingles. This is why we're more expensive. This is Billy Guyette with Guyette Roofing.